Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson under cathode ray oscilloscope. This is introduction to electronics. So we've got this wonderful question that is saying the diagram shows the screen of cathode ray oscilloscope. These are just abbreviations. C.RO. The time base is set to be 5 milliseconds per centimeters. So now for us to interpret this, you need to interpret that. So if you are given a time base to be 5 milliseconds per centimeters, it means that 5 milliseconds represents 1 centimeters or is equivalent to 1 centimeters. This is the first thing you are supposed to know and understand. So it is to interpret that. So let us now go to the first question. This is a screen that is just represented there, a cross section of the screen that you've just gotten. Then the first question is saying, what is the period of the input AC alternating current signal? So we want to find the period of the input. So for you to find the period, you know that you want to calculate the time that is given there. Have you seen time under this interval? So you need to understand that the cathode ray oscilloscope, these are also used in measuring short time intervals. This is one thing you are supposed to know and understand. So after understanding this part, you are now taught to find the period, and you get, this is what, 4 centimeters. So you just say 4 centimeters, just put it here. Here you put x. You find what is there. If it is 4 centimeters, you find the period. Here, you know, this and that will be cancelled. When these two cancel, you cross multiply. 4 times 5. So you have 1 times x. You are going to have x, which is equal to 4 times 5 milliseconds, which is just equal to what? 20 milliseconds. So this is the what? This is the answer. So this is the what? This is the period. This is what you are supposed to get and understand. That's how you get to calculate the period. As simple as that. The same way I'm answering, this is how you are supposed to answer even in an exam. These are simple questions that you need to take advantage of if they are to come in an exam. Then we now move on. So these things are just the same. Don't be confused. So before we move on to part B, you need to understand period, time taken. If we are under pendulum, you discover that it is defined as time taken for a complete oscillation. If we are talking about waves, you discover that the time taken for one wave to be complete. This is what you need to know and understand. When we go to frequency, they are just the same. You just say frequency is equal to 1 over what? 1 over period. This is something you need to know and understand. So this is something that is so simple, something that is not that difficult. So what you need to do, something you need to get and understand here, you need to make sure that you convert these milliseconds to seconds. Have you seen? So this is something you need to do. We convert milliseconds to seconds. So what we are going to do, we are going to do something like this. The best thing is just to get this 20 millisecond, you just divide it by 1000. This is the easiest way. Instead of you knowing those conversions, it's better you just get this same one, that is 20 milliseconds. You just divide it by 1000. Then the answer you are going to get to be 0.02. So this is now in what? In seconds. As simple as this. Have you seen? So this is what you need to do. This is the same one you are going to put there. Frequency is equal to 1 over, what is the period? 0.02 seconds. When you divide there, you are going to get your answer as 50 Addison Zulu or S. So this is HZ. If you know my name, you know the units for frequency. So this is what you are supposed to do. These are the questions you need to know in an exam. Something like this. So let's make sure that we know how to answer questions that come in an exam. This is your wonderful tutor, Addison J. Zulu. So for those of you that could like to join us, we offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, English language. We do offer tuitions. So you can WhatsApp me on my number. This is my WhatsApp number. So you can WhatsApp me on this number. Only those that wants to join, because I get to have people texting, having questions. So this number is only to the people that want to join our online lessons. So are you a GC candidate? You want tuitions? Make sure you WhatsApp me on this number. We add you to the group. You are a grade 12 internal candidate. We are here to help you clear your exams. Thank you so much. So tuitions are done at a fee, an affordable fee.